Downsizing Expenses, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to talk about a very useful phrase that can help you manage your money better: downsizing expenses. So, what does it mean, and why is it important? Let's dive in and find out. Downsizing expenses refers to the process of reducing your spending or cutting back on the amount of money you spend on various things. This could involve eliminating unnecessary costs, finding cheaper alternatives for services and goods, or simply spending less money in general. It's a strategy that can help individuals, families, and even businesses manage their finances more efficiently. You might wonder why it's important to downsize your expenses. There are several reasons. To save money, the most obvious reason is to increase your savings. By spending less, you can save more for future needs or emergencies. To reduce debt, if you have loans or credit card debt, downsizing expenses can help you pay off your debts faster. To live within your means, it ensures that you're not spending more than you earn, which is crucial for financial stability. To achieve financial goals, whether it's buying a house, going on a dream vacation, or retiring early, reducing your expenses can help you reach those goals sooner. Now that we understand the importance of downsizing expenses, how can we actually do it? Here are some practical tips. Track your spending. Keep a record of where your money goes each month to identify areas where you can cut back. Create a budget. Set limits for different categories of spending, and stick to them. Cut unnecessary expenses. Cancel subscriptions you don't use, dine out less often, and avoid impulse purchases. Shop smarter. Look for discounts, use coupons, and compare prices before making purchases. Reduce utility bills. Save on electricity and water by being more energy efficient. Downsizing expenses might seem challenging at first, but with a bit of practice, it can become a rewarding habit that significantly improves your financial health. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to downsize expenses and how you can start doing it today. Remember, it's all about making smarter choices with your money. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.